Здравствуйте, мой друзей. Hello, hello. It is, no, it is no problem, no problem. Oh, I think I have some presents for you, V or for Canuck. I have some the lock picking equipment. Да.
Johnny!
Что? Алло, здравствуйте. Привет. Yeah, I see you. Hello.
Yeah. Ah, there you are.
Hello, hello. Hi,
Sorry,
hello.
I'm cooking some. Do you want to come wait in the kitchen while I finish up?
Конечно, почему нет? Of course, of course. And I bring gifts for you as well. Whoa,
Oh,
turn
nice.
off,
Yeah, I just
turn
gotta
off
keep
my
an eye on these
nightstand.
cabbage rolls. Ignore the
Oh,
mess. We're kind of sorting,
well, yeah, I mean,
perpetually.
lots of success requires lots of organization. Boy, I love all the refrigerators you have had. Poor
Um,
Yogi, poor Yogi.
what's that?
Yogi Bear. He is dead.
Oh, yeah. You should have seen it earlier. We actually had another bear we were just butchering, and our friend Cat was making him kiss.
It is, I always say Draco is not too upset about this. I mean, he is kind of very,
Well,
it's a
how's it going there?
if you ever need to use the facilities, the bathroom door's right here, but I might give it just a minute. But, if you want to go ahead and have a seat, I'm finishing up some cabbage rolls. Are you hungry?
I could definitely have some nourishment. Of course, of course. Let me get my lock-picking presents. I will be right back.
Oh. Oh my gosh, there's more. When you think you're gonna stop, they just keep coming.
Hey, some aboard. You should go there sometime. Well, you have been. I met you
Yeah,
in the group not too long ago.
we every time we go, we seem to not run into you though. It's kind of weird.
I'm sure Cat can attest that is probably a good thing.
Oh no, is she running?
No worries, no worries. Only flashbang, right, Cat? It was quite a blinding encounter with Cat. Yeah, right. I think this would be good. I have to ask, I
Oh my
lost
goodness.
my previous wire cutters from the last group I was fighting. Would you have a spare pair?
Ooh, that's a very good question. Might have to look
I
through our
could go
stuff.
up to the town just over right close to you north, maybe look for some in the garages while you are cooking. What?
Do you need some for right now? I can let you borrow.
I was just going to be prepared before we go. I know it will be forgetting by the time we are getting ready for cabbage rolls and
Yeah, sorry, I had
lunch.
no idea that this recipe was going to take this long whenever I started. I thought it was going
Yes,
to be as
cabbage rolls.
fast as
You
making
have
some
to.
spaghetti.
It takes time to perfect them. They cannot be rushed.
But, we need a little bit
Здравствуйте.
more fiber and veggies in our diet, so it's probably good to have some.
Спасибо большое. Thank you for these wire cutters. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You have couch. I am trying to be building these. I do not have room yet. I
Oh,
have
they're
to
almost
ask.
done.
Where did you find these generators? I've been looking. Some aboard has not been providing these.
Where did I find which ones? I'm sorry.
These generators. Big ones.
Oh, I just bought them from the
Oh,
general store.
хорошо. Maybe if I sell a few more medicines, I too will have enough money for these.
Yeah, some things you just kind of have to bite the bullet and spend some.
As long as the
He
bullet
had
is not going too fast.
he actually had a job for me that I was able to do where he gave me like a huge discount on it. I was able to buy one for $100.
I will need to be doing these. This is for the general store vendors.
Yeah. Yeah, we have a couple down here, and then I think we have one on every floor because, you know, big house, a lot of light.
Oh, yes. Very nice. Very well lit. Like.
Yeah, we tried. I think Canuck did a pretty good job making it look all nice. We still got to finish some things. There's still a wobble on these chairs. I got to fix those up.
Oh, yeah, no worries. It is. Maybe it takes a few more bolts and screws.
Oh, that's where you went off to there. So we got a couple of gifts for you there, Johnny. You know, it's been a while.
Oh, I have to get the grand tour of the home.
Couple things in the bag there, you know. It's I heard you're looking for one of those drum magazines there, and there's a couple bolts for the drum magazine, you know, because you don't want to have drum magazines without having the actual bolts inside them. So what's the point of having a drum magazine if you can't shoot anything from it, you know?
Now I need
A couple of shotgun rounds, because I know you like the shotguns going in on that soundboard there.
This is true. It is easier for taking out the large groups of zombies. Perfect. Thank you so much. I will put these
obviously,
in
you
the
got
car.
the potassium iodide in there just in case, you know. I can't guarantee everything's safe in here, so if it's not safe, you have some potassium iodide to help you out there.
This is true. You are my radiation friend. I am getting radiation. I am getting radiated. I have to go home and wash it. Gosh, I'm not surprised. It's definitely that. It's funny.
Well, it's not just it's a stew. You're stewing it with the cabbage, with meat, a whole bunch of veggies. Yeah, so you gotta make sure it all cooks and gets nice and tender.
I can confirm, my friend, that bag is a little bit warm.
Well, it's a little warm, but look, you know, that there's some stuff radiated in there and kind of goes through, so I guess you gotta be careful on what you're grabbing from there just in case.
Yeah, no worries. I have some soap from some aboard medical center I will be washing.
Oh, there you go. You know, if you find a dirty bar of soap, is it actually a dirty bar of soap if you're able to clean with it?
Oh, dirty bar soap is better?
Can the bar of soap even be dirty?
Oh, this is a good question. I will ponder this answer.
I mean, as much as I like to say clean, yeah, technically, it's soap. You get a little soap scum on it, you just wash it off with the soap.
Oh, you are washing soap with the soap.
You need friction and hot water. There you go, brand new.
Lots and lots of friction.
Johnny, we went ahead and packed our lunches already. I think we're all fed up, but this is for you, coffee and some cabbage roll.
Oh, spasiba. All right. Well, let us do this.
You know, I've been watching the macros and stuff, so I made sure, you know, it's a healthy serving. A lot of protein, not too high in fat.
Oh, I want all
enough
these
carbs
macros.
to keep you going.
All these macros in my stomach.
Now, I am ready. Oh, Johnny gave us a present here, honey. I'll give you.
Hold on. Cool. Yeah, I'll just take one of them there. That's the ones there for you, hon. You know, I know you like giving me a soft tips there.
Well, here, let's take the screw.
All right. I'm gonna say no to some.
You can put them up for later. I think I'll put a couple of them up for later. For myself first.
Oh, he's been it. I'll be right back.
She's not feeling so great, so I think she's gonna take a nap on the couch while we go out.
Oh, хорошо. This be a 3, yeah? Just us 3.
Yep, more diffusing for you though.
Alright, хорошо. Let us do the rocking and the rolling.
So we got the B01 there, and I think you got 2 others going for those bunkers.
What? We are not also being joined with Reiko Azami.
Oh no, they're not quite awake yet. They still be asleep for a couple hours there, you know.
Хорошо. Alright, we are
Are
going to be going
we
for yours
taking
before
the same
your
car?
cards expire. What?
Honey,
Are we taking the same car, or I guess we all
Oh,
take the same car?
нет. Oh, we can take our separates right now. We try to go
should
to
we
yours
fix it up
first.
before we go?
We are going to the one in the B0, yes.
Oh yeah, hit the B0 first, and then we got some other places to go there, I think, and then, well, I mean, while we're over in B0 there, we could even step our ways up to the radiation zone, check out a bit of loot from there. So we should, Anya, are you able to grab a couple radiation suits there for us? Maybe 2 more? I think we got one inside the car there.
Yeah,
While we're right
you should
beside the B0, you know.
you should probably also repair the truck for us, honey.
You know, we probably should. I don't know who's driving like a maniac in this vehicle there, but yeah, I can, if one of us can repair the car and the other one grabs the suits.
Yeah.
О, хорошо. They have truck faster than me, so let's rock and roll.
Oh yeah, just a little bit of dancing afterwards, and you know, the next just let us be. You just want to see our moves. You know, you just want to see us slide on in there.
Little bit of dancing.
I mean, she's got to be somewhere near here.
Oh, I hear somebody searching. What a show, my friend. Let's get this show on the road. We have so many of
Use
these.
the facilities there, so I'll be a minute. I'll catch up with you guys.
What?
Yeah, use the facility.
Well, alright, good luck. Stop. Why is this keep closing?
I don't know.
Automatic close.
I guess somebody came and finally repair them or something.
Why is he so mad? There's not someone else in here, is there? Здравствуйте! Привет! Алло, алло! Ура-да. To-da-da-da. La-da-da-da-dee-doo.
Hey, John.
Wow. Ah, yes.
Present at your feet.
Oh, спасибо. Just in case I shoot a friend and some aboard, I can bring them back. Perfect.
You know, it's nothing like killing someone if you can't kill them twice. You know, you one for the good measure, and then the second time for the better measure.
Yes.
All right. So is everybody ready? Are we ready to go into this box there? It's I call it a kill box, but there's not usually a lot of killing going on in those boxes here.
The surprise box. Present box.
There we go. Present box.
Want to pregame with me?
Oh, let's do a little pregame there.
Giddy.
Let's take a couple.
Not a sure.
There's one sip left. You want to sip there, Johnny?
Ah, but you
There we go.
Ah.
A little bit of energy before we pop yourself in there.
Whoa.
Oh, let's clear the hole. I think a puppet heard that can hit the ground there. Doesn't sound too happy about the litter. You know, he's sitting there telling you you can't litter in here.
Oh, you're telling me these zombie puppets are an environmentalist tree huggers?
You know, it's not impossible there. He heard you throw the can. I'm sure that's the only reason why he'd be getting mad up there, right? He's up there hugging a tree right now, and he heard the can tink around the ground. Now he's angry about it, you know? It's his tree's getting offended. All right, we're all ready.
Oh, probably TEC1 camera.
How dare you enter my lair, scumbags! Oh, just kidding. No reason to be afraid.
Oh,
No more than usual, that is.
long time no see.
This is Killbox, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see who lives and who gets horribly mutilated. Rules are simple. You have 15 minutes to acquire as much goodies as you can. One wrong step, though, and you better start running. It's a kill box, not a gift box. I see that there are a few of you here. We wouldn't want that to get boring. Right, audience? So let's make it more fun, shall we?
Of course. All open.
You know, she said there's not a gift
Oh,
box.
I am satisfied. Look at this, my friend. No more killboxes needed.
There you go. You got an RPG, you got a couple of gun men, you got 4 gun mags now. All you need
For
is a bit
mounting
more
on the
bullets for
edge.
us, you know?
Anything good in here?
I'll get some of those guns.
Honey, look. the back, look in the back.
Please note that no
look
decent
at
living
that.
being was harmed during the filming of this show. It's getting a bit boring. Here, have a bit of entertainment.
I punched him.
What happened to those invisible? So hard it disappeared.
Alright, I grabbed 2 guns and a C4 port.
Oh, this is everything.
I think we got them all.
Huh? Not a show. Bye-bye, my friend. Bye-bye. Yeah, let's do these. Alright, not a show.
30 seconds left.
Ladies first.
At this point, you can either get out or become part of the decor. Our lasers tend to do that.
Why'd you start so late, Johnny?
10 seconds mark. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, you want to go? You want to go?
I was expecting that invisible puppet to come out here, you know.
Me too. Where did I one punch and he was gone? I do not
I heard him
understand.
screaming at us inside somewhere there, you know. You could hear the echoes of the invisible puppet.
Johnny, why'd you start diffusing so late?
Oh, I was just, you know, cracking my knuckles and clearing my throat. You know.
I was like, okay, I'll open this one for Canuck, and then by that time he should have one open for me to start locking
And I was
like, what
I
if
was
you
just
started yet?
looking at it and tasting it, smelling it, maybe taking piss on it. You never know. Had to make sure it was the proper wire.
Decompressing before you start.
You have to taste it before you diffuse it, right? All right. What are we on to next? We have lots of these to do. Yes.
I think that's
5
all the
more?
ones we got there, you know, but we did a couple with Cat earlier there. So we got,
perfect. So we have
a few more to do with you, whatever ones you said you had, you know, I'm pretty sure
You want to
you're
use your
saying that you had a
Bobby pins and
couple
open
more.
this armory?
Oh, I
Might
got
have
an armory
something
opener.
Oh, sure. So we have only mine to do now. Yes.
Yeah.
Perfect. Oh, efficiency at its finest. Alright, I think next we'll do Z2, or Z2, Z0, and then come back for Bravo 0. Yes, efficiency.
Alrighty, Z2 sounds like a good plan to me there. Oh, that's
Alright, happy. Go. Calling a horde as I leave.